Hey YouTubers, sooner or later everybody needs reading glasses. You know, here on Robb's Homemade Life we do one of four things. We fix stuff, we make stuff, we come up with solutions to things, we review things. Today we're going to be kind of reviewing and coming up with a solution. The solution is to a problem of where to find the least expensive eyeglasses you can get online. I found Zenni to be the cheapest. These glasses cost $6.95. They're not the first pair I bought. This is the first pair I bought. I like this style better. However, after a while, the plastic starts crumbling and being affected by oil on your hand or something. It's like the skin covering the plastic just starts to shrivel. It's not good. Also, it's very flimsy. These are extremely light, which is good, but also they're not long lasting. However, they're extremely comfortable, and I kind of like the way they look, and they're $6.95. The other pair of $6.95 they have available is this brand. Not brand, but style. This is extremely sturdy, the most durable, sturdy glass I've had. They're a little bit heavier. They don't look as good, judging by my face. Which kind of negates the whole idea of looking good to begin with, but I don't think they're as fashionable as these look more old-fashioned, I think. But they're also $6.95. You're going to need to get a prescription from an optometrist, an eye doctor, before you can purchase the glasses through Zenni. I went to an eye doctor at Walmart. They ran out spaces. It's not Walmart doctors. The space is a regular doctor. And mine was at the shopping mall at Sawgrass Mills in Western Broward. Dr. Steinman. No, excuse, Dr. Hyman. That would be a good name for an eye doctor, Steinman. Dr. Hyman is at Walgrass. Dr. Steinman is at the Sawgrass Mill in West Broward, and I really recommend him highly. You guys want to, if you need an eye doctor, go see him. But anyway, you need prescription, and that way Zenni can fill your order. If you don't like your glasses, they have a money-back guarantee. You can just send the glasses back, and you can get a new pair if your numbers weren't correct or something. It's a very simple process. They have a wide variety, but these are the two most common styles of the reading glasses. They also sell many other types of much more expensive glasses. They even sell sunglasses. However, it's hard to break them too. I recently purchased these sunglasses, but I didn't get them from Zenni. So I don't think I need to purchase any more sunglasses. I'm good to go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this little helpful review. And if you need inexpensive reading glasses, I recommend Zenni a lot. See you out there.